Today is the 26th of August 2024. It's around about just after 2. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. It's about 21 degrees Celsius. It's Monday. I'm going to take this 6-frame Nuke and I'm going to transfer them into this 10-frame Langstroth brood box. So let's see, because this box 6-frame box is full. That 6-frame Nuke is full of bees. Yo, and they feisty. Let's smoke a bit. Yo, sorry girls, but I have to transfer you to your new home now. Okay. So look at that beautiful brood pattern as it is there. It's on both sides. Nice band of honey. A quick look. But let's move this one. I put in an empty frame here. Alright. Let's see if I can move this one. Yo, it's heavy. Yo. But look there. Look inside there. That beautiful brood pattern. This colony is gonna explode. I'm just moving it at the right time now. I'm needing another empty frame. You guys must excuse me. I'm filming alone, all on my own. So handling and everything, and it's a bit difficult. But look inside here. Look at that. That brood pattern there. This box is okay. 6-frame Nuke pushed over into this one with the underfloor entrance. Girls is going in and out, bringing in nectar, pollen. Great. Nice girls. There is 6 frames full of brood, both sides. This one is gonna fly. I must start looking at getting my another super ready to put on top of here, because it's not gonna be long then this box is gonna start producing honey like mad. Maybe in 3-4 weeks time. Let's see. But in a week's time I will come check inside this box.